In this video, we look at how customers place an order in the B2B portal. In this scenario, Mrs. Potter from kitchen studio TopDesign orders a worktop. Mrs. Potter logs into the kitchen supplier's B2B portal and chooses the correct order method. She creates a new order. First, she enters the purchase number and commission in the order details. After this, she specifies the style characteristics that will apply to all parts of the order. She selects a worktop from the catalog. She fills in the dimensions. The edge finishes are determined. Also, a corner operation is entered. She configures the cutouts. The worktop is now fully configured. Mrs. Potter now adds 2 back panels. The order is now complete and Mrs. Potter looks at the price calculation. She agrees and passes on the order. After a final check, the order is submitted. Mrs. Potter closes the B2B portal.